anything to me? Come on.
Hello, so you don't see how few blood clot raw picture them look when nobody don't touch. How them ugly I look.
Well, I know.
Disturbing, disgusting pan people phone blood clot scream.
Well, I
Look here
know.
the worst dirty cranny hungry batty man.
Worse. And then you notice like if somebody a Batman cheese, him fuss like we talk about the person.
Yeah.
And he don't clean like the person.
And him eat every Jamaican Batman, cause guess what? When he used to go and buy the Batman them clothes, them never used to give him. So he carry a dirty detrimentals, eat for the boy them. We are come up with the Batman them, cause them better than you.
And in torment, he can't just like man, cause him no look good and look how him slim. Look how him slim. Thank you guys. Support the life people.
Oh, si that bab. If I have a light study that oh, in favor it straight just like it. That's just the truth. Yeah. All of your mind feel like nobody will come off for you. I don't know about nobody else about me. I ride you to blood clot till the neck pop off. Yes. Where? Nasty mother grind a blood clot, lucky. Are we bring her the mute?
No, hold on. Mid the pan and mid Mr. Cat. Well, I know. So what I want to ask you, are them same family there beat him? The one them where you sure?
Yes, everyone of them beat him. Beat him.
God, guys.
And the brother them be show a brother them can be get them picture.
Guys, so you want so let me ask you something now, Cheese.
Yeah.
Why his mother hate him so much?
And him alone, his mother ate the whole her Pickney them.
Oh my God.
Listen, the mother put the mother leave the whole of them. Yeah? And go live with a man Rivali. 8 of them and the whole of them.
Share the life, people. Share the life. This need crowd.
Not telling you lie, I choose something.
Everybody power tap the screen. I'm ranking, guys. So while I'm ranking, we're talking, but put gifts in the meantime.
Right.
This can't real. Come on, guys.
It real
We're
story.
talking. If you don't want here,
real story.
put gifts.
If should have come out and tell the car that is hot. I'm not really glad for what really reach him, but it's supposed to reach him.
Talk a story, please. People them put gifts to me. Cause guys, I could be playing match. Come on. Send what you can. True story, this from Cheese. Cheese know him.
True story, live coming from you.
Yes.
Smack in the middle of capture line.
Cheese know him. Cheese used to live down south.
Pen. What do you, man? Look at them dirty people. Look at them eat bone for throat at the rubbish pan.
Oh my God.
Hello, look here. When me tell them say, lucky mother, leave him. The woman leave him and the whole of put them to the ends of the world. The whole of them. The whole of them have to walk and dig it down. Dig it down. Them coming like chichi in our community. Everybody
people share the life. Turn up this like people.
And the sister did get a break and go foreign from early out. The sister, yeah.
Well, on there, this can't real. This need crowd, people. When you get some crowd, they come. This need crowd. We're talking about the same thinking dirty Batman where I have me pinning them picture and I said husband a pedophile and we can't molest Pickney them and everything.
But I lucky at the pedophile because lucky play with the little girl. I just show the little girl. You see the little girl when play with is a mad. It's like the little girl mother no really have no head. Yeah. On the train line, the little girl leave.
That's why I'm so tormented and can't sleep at night time, guys.
When him do it, him run away. When the system call him run away. And come back one long time after. He come like a them time them they go start do the whole part things them. Yeah? Well, nobody couldn't find Lucky.
For the people who are just joining the live, Cheese is here with the breaking news that Destiny molests a 4-year-old.
Little girl.
Little girl. Cheese has
her vagina.
Story.
Him never fuck her. Him touch her on her pussy. You should have stay make the people them hold you and beat you. And you know the system don't play about that shit. You should
Put
have
gifts,
stayed.
guys. I'm ranking.
Anybody will come from which one I come from, no, me not tell no lie. Cheese, me have one picture with Lucky. Send it to me. Send it to me over Instagram. Money Cheese say.
Everybody know that Cheese came and bring down Destiny and right to the ground. Cheese have Destiny file. Somebody have our file. Guys, he
Yeah,
mother
want
hate
it.
him. So Cheese, why mother hate him so?
Mama, to be honest, I don't know because it's not him alone the woman hate. It's the whole of them. It's the whole of them. And why him brother them beat him is because him lucky suck him brother would in him sleep. And the whole
Guys,
of
you
them
hear
defend
that?
him and beat him.
Thank you, Tati. Yes, guys, put gifts. I'm ranking. Thank you very much. Everybody support the live goal. Guys, listen to this. Because we're not going to talk if we're not support the live goal. It is said that Cheese is saying that Destiny, yes, Jaden, hear this. I'm glad you come to hear this. Jaden, Cheese says Destiny was SUCK in brother's penis. And that's why them beat him. Mighty God.
That's why them always a beat him too. If they ever see him on the road I give a flying kick, you see.
Oh, my wisdom.
Him get a lot of abuse. But here him get the abuse them. Him put it in the way, forget the abuse them. Him ever in a mix up with the girl him no run for beat him. You see the picture where him use and seek asylum? I carry somebody name, you know, and then bust up in blood clot, you know. And him use that the picture then and seek asylum, you know. And him mouth make him get that beaten there. Him mouth, I mean not tell no lie. Look, you know that a lie.
Guys, listen. This is coming straight out of Cheesy Blase, and everybody's supposed to know Cheese, my love. Yeah. This is what Cheese is saying, and it is coming from her because she know the places them down there where the dirty donkey did live.
Oh yes. Oh yes. The
We-
first
but-
girl hear him thief is one girl named Sandy. Me not tell no lie.
Oh my
Her
God.
clothes. You want to see him look like fuckery in the girl blood clot ear. Uptown, the first party where him go, a viral it go. If you ever dead meat. If you ever dead meat. Skull dog. Yeah. Look, you know it's the truth. You know it's the truth. And let me tell you, the way all that woman they don't like Lucky. You see, when time Lucky, you see at Christmas time, blinger, she selling now, she's a woman who walk and sell. She will sell anything where I sell, like plate and them something there. You know them little hustler woman, they will always go, me a pen, mobile, boat, go sell. So when they come on to Christmas time, Lucky go help her sell, you know. And when time like them coming back and don't check the money, all $3,000 she give Lucky. I mean, I tell you $3,000 can ever buy one tap. You want to say Lucky blood clot once upon a time Christmas close them. And some big blood clot shirt with me and you could have hold in her. And them the woman used to take the blood clot Lucky. That woman they never like Lucky after echo him act. Looking at a childhood. Lucky don't have
right
no
now,
childhood.
but that's why I'm telling you, he's acting out because guess what? He's not a good person. Him come around and him pretend. He's a wicked, dirty dog shit.
Of
He's
course.
not a good person.
Look at them people, they were nobody at all for trust. Look at everybody. Look at
It's true.
upset with the world. Like it's the world make you born with that big old hood and not take no blood clot. You not use it and put in the right places. Yeah.
Me tell you, same torment you fuck. Him have a whole archive in him house of me. Torment. It look like he sit down and fuck all himself to my blood clot. You walk around and talk about me and my 10 bumbo clot belly. When man turn my back way, side way, front way, up way, down way, them not see no belly, my love. Crazy.
Him in a worse than him have beer back. Him full of bone, him look anorexic bad. And him not see that crying like dog.
You know what him do?
You want some new ear, Lucky.
You want me tell you what him do?
What him do?
Can they beat him bad enough? Candy a beat him bad because he might try to look like Candy and he might try to be like Ivani.
Yeah.
And Ivani in a one class by her blood clot self, bad to bad. Ivani a
Ivan a
star.
pussy. Him alone na them. Him delulu, you know. Him very much delusional. Very much.
Mama tell her what him do. Hear him. He try to cuss and argue with every girl on the app. As that him do. And in an head, him think him win. Him torment no blood clot. Me say, uno sit down and draw a chair and watch it beat no way am I go get. Watch it beat no way am I go get. My ask Christ, this person alive, him alive and him dead to pussy clot. Because who sit down?
Give me a big screen. Put me on the big blood clot screen. Yeah, one thought now, I love it nicer. It nicer, so angle. Carry on with the moment.
Who sit down, right? And go through people profile, dig up them past, come online, come talk about it like say it's food to your body. Remember, I know the government of Switzerland give you house for living, give you food, give you money every 2 weeks. And you don't say, make you sit down and say, thank you, Father God. All you do, true, you don't have a work, you sit down in your class and make up stories and tell lies on people. And people sit down and watch you, them sit down and friend you, them sit down and rape blood clot you. Them just as bad as you. Because when you take up people Pickney, I put shit on it and I talk about husband rape kids. There's a big dirty dog shit because here what happened. Over here in New York City, when any man rape any kids and it reached to the precinct, first it reached to ACS, then to the precinct, they are labeled as pedophiles.
Right.
And you've been talking about my husband and my pitney them. He's a wicked, dirty blood clot. And I say, someone who will sit down and watch him. That's why I'm a first phone on in a bumper clot like this because now crosses and blood clots wicked. When are wicked. Everything where this dog shit come online, come talk, when I sit down and listen, but children are like, girl, when I believe, but me I go tell you, someone in life sad, no blood clot, sad than fame. A phone no taxpayer money him a live off of. Phone no taxpayer money because I'm gonna tell you what him do. Him talk like this and then him cry insanity. And when him cry insanity, them
sorry
obviously
for
mad.
him. Moving the
Them
blood clot.
obviously
Enough time I say I do some things. And when I look back on it, them something they are sick things to do. Just to get attention. Me just hold my own. Yeah. Me just hold my own. Me not do enough I want to do.
So my baby, tell me something. Yo, that the person that is a man.
He's a man who want to be a woman.
He's a blood clot, man.
He's a man who want to be a woman. Him a work for the city them now.
Long time.
Yeah, but you can't really even bother them because they have all the rights. You know them way there?
Him not have no blood clot rights and attention seeker.
Him have rights, of course, yes. Because them want
Hey,
over
one thing doing the horses here, no. Tell me something, though,
blood
baby.
clot style.
Real fast. You're single. Mama, I love them sweet lips there now. You're nice. You catch me, yeah, man. Oh, a big batty boy, yeah, man. That boy when live up a town and underneath the bridge. You remember the batty man them live under the bridge?
Yeah.
One of them, a big batty boy, yeah, man. Real batty man. Nasty, man.